Charleston, a tapestry of elegance and hospitality, where each corner reveals a hidden gem of history waiting to be discovered. Let's take a look at our list of the top 5 hotels in Charleston according to our choice. Our choice number 5, the Restoration Hotel. This hotel is in a prime location within walking distance of Charleston's famous landmarks and attractions: Charleston City Market, Marion Square, Charleston Museum and Rainbow Row are a short distance from the hotel. Numerous shops and dining options are situated in Charleston's historic district, just a short walk from the hotel. The Restoration Hotel offers amenities such as a library, restaurant, rooftop bar, coffee shop, and boutique store for guests to enjoy. The Restoration Hotel has an outdoor pool. The Restoration Hotel offers a selection of luxurious accommodations designed to provide guests with the utmost comfort and relaxation. Each suite is thoughtfully appointed with elegant furnishings and modern amenities. Whether seeking a romantic getaway or a family retreat, guests will find their every need catered to with impeccable attention to detail. And these are some of the visitors' comments. Spacious rooms, nice amenities. Breakfast basket was amazing. Great location in the heart of the historic district. Good breakfast and lovely hotel. What is your opinion of the first hotel on the list? In the video's description there are links to pages with more details and prices. We go to the next hotel on the list. Number 4 on our list, the Dewberry Charleston. Set amidst the bustling energy of Charleston's downtown scene, the Dewberry epitomizes a harmonious blend of old-world elegance and contemporary allure, providing guests with an enriching and sophisticated experience. The Charleston Museum, Marion Square, Cannon Park, and American Theater are just a few steps from the hotel. At the Dewberry Charleston, guests can enjoy rejuvenating spa services and stay active at the fitness center. The Dewberry Charleston has a restaurant and bar. The Dewberry Charleston offers guests a selection of elegant accommodations designed to provide the utmost comfort and relaxation. Each room at the Dewberry Hotel has floor-to-ceiling windows and a mini-bar. And these are some of the visitors' comments. Great location and amenities. Excellent decor, great service, and great staff. The property is amazing with great rooms. Recommendation number 3, the Spectator Hotel. Hotel Spectator, a luxury boutique property with a 1920s inspired design, has a prime location just a short distance from popular attractions such as the historic Charleston City Market, Charleston Waterfront Park, Marion Square, and Charleston Museum. At the hotel, guests can enjoy a cozy bar, personalized butler services, and complimentary Wi-Fi in common areas. The reception operates around the clock, and guests can utilize concierge services for enhanced convenience. This hotel offers guests a selection of elegant accommodations designed to provide the utmost comfort and luxury. Each room and suite is thoughtfully appointed with luxurious furnishings, plush bedding, and modern amenities to ensure a memorable stay. Certain suites offer picturesque views of the historic city center, along with a cozy sitting area or minibar for added comfort. And these are some of the visitors' comments. Stylish, very comfortable hotel with excellent service. The location and the staff were amazing. The staff were very helpful and friendly. Location was great. Our choice number 2, the Charleston Place. Located in Charleston City Center, this iconic hotel is within easy reach of attractions like the South Carolina Aquarium, Rainbow Row, Marion Square, and Charleston Waterfront Park. The Charleston Place offers an array of facilities and services designed to enhance guest stay. From the moment of arrival, guests are greeted with warm hospitality and attentive service from the hotel's dedicated staff. The hotel boasts multiple dining venues and bars. along with a luxurious full-service spa. Guests can relax in the pool or work out in the fitness center. Each room and suite is thoughtfully appointed with elegant furnishings, plush bedding, and modern amenities to ensure a memorable stay. The hotel also features versatile event spaces, making it an ideal venue for weddings, corporate events, and social gatherings. Guests can enjoy 24-hour room service for added convenience. And these are some of the visitors' comments. Clean, elegant, and well located with spacious rooms. Perfect location, beautiful hotel, and top-notch amenities. Great location, great staff, and very comfortable. Recommendation number 1. Hotel Bennett, Charleston. Hotel Bennett, Charleston enjoys a prime location on King Street, one of Charleston's most renowned streets. Charleston Museum, Cannon Park, Charleston Waterfront Park, and Marion Square are a short distance from the hotel. Hotel Bennett Charleston offers guests accommodations with amenities including an outdoor pool, private parking, a fitness center, and a terrace. At this exquisite 5-star hotel, guests can enjoy the convenience of room service, round-the-clock assistance from the front desk, and complimentary Wi-Fi. The rooms are equipped with a coffee machine, with some boasting a balcony for enhanced comfort. Guests can indulge in serene relaxation at the spa or have lunch in excellent hotel restaurants. And these are some of the visitors' comments. Hotel is beautiful, rooms are charming, and beds so comfortable. Staff was delightful. Great location, service, amazing restaurant. Beautiful property with exceptional staff. The video description contains links to each option, as well as pricing and other information. We appreciate you watching the video, and we hope to see you again soon.
Are you planning your next trip but feeling overwhelmed by all the planning and research involved? Do you want to have a stress-free travel experience that caters to your unique interests and budget? Look no further. Our free personalized travel itinerary service is here to save the day. Imagine arriving at your destination with a fully planned itinerary that includes all the must-see attractions, hidden gems, and top-rated restaurants. You can relax and focus on enjoying your trip. We will create a customized itinerary tailored to your needs and budget for any destination in the world. And the best part? Our service is completely free. Yes, you heard that right. So whether you're traveling solo or with family and friends, let us take the stress out of your travel planning. Visit hola-travel.com and you will be one step closer to your perfect vacation. Happy travels!